This is Persona, a new agent UI library from Runtype that makes it really easy to embed AI agent experiences into your existing websites and apps. What makes it special is that it's written in vanilla JavaScript, which means it works absolutely anywhere. It's kind of for the majority of the internet that's not necessarily using React. So, a lot of the great agent UI frameworks out there are React based. This is for everyone else. Because it's in vanilla JavaScript, it can work on literally any site. It could work on a static HTML site, a Shopify store, a WordPress site. It has no framework dependencies, so you don't have to rewrite your app in React to use it. It's also the first agent UI library to natively support WebMCP, which just shipped in Google Chrome, and offers a great solution for how you can build really effective Copilot experiences where an AI agent is actually directly using your front-end app instead of just being bolted on top. Let me show you a few examples. Here's an example of a basic version of Persona sitting on top of an e-commerce site acting as a shopping assistant. Unlike most chat widgets you've probably interacted with, though, this agent actually knows what page you're on. And when you talk to it, it can navigate, take action, and do everything you can do on the page, kind of like a true assistant. And you can literally talk to it because Persona supports voice, both the browser native stuff as well as ElevenLabs. Here's another version that looks like Claude. If you want to build a full-screen AI assistant feature like this into your product, you can make it feel just like products coming out of frontier labs like OpenAI and Anthropic with features like this artifact view on the right. Or maybe you already have an existing SaaS app and you want to add a Copilot to it like Shopify Sidekick. Well, Persona can do that too. And here it is sliding out from the side and hooking into your existing experience. The best part is all of these examples are simply different configurations of Persona, and our theme editor has everything you need to customize and theme the experience to match your app and design the experience you're looking for before you have to touch any code. Persona is also the first agent UI framework to support WebMCP, which is a brand new capability coming to the browser, which actually just shipped in Chrome. With WebMCP, you can define front-end tools for the benefit of agents within your existing application. So agents can use your app with dexterity without hacks like headless browsing, which could be really token expensive and slow, or without having to add completely new backend APIs just for the agents. If you've used MCP servers with your other AI assistants before, this brings a lot of the same benefits, but into your front end. Let me show you what I mean. In this example Slides app, I can use it traditionally with a mouse and keyboard, or I can just ask this Persona agent for help, and it can use the app just as effectively as I can because it has access to the right tools for this kind of application. And just for fun, here's a version of MS Paint running in the browser called JS Paint, where Persona has been given access to all of the tools in the palette. So it can actually draw, and probably better than I can. You can build hooks like this into your app to create a great Copilot or conversational experience for your customers. Persona is open source, MIT licensed, and completely free to use. It's compatible with any AI API that supports SSE, such as Vercel's AI SDK, and it works anywhere via npm install and can even be deployed with a simple script tag, which means it works in proprietary CMSs, commerce platforms, WordPress, static sites, and so on. Now, the fastest way to deploy a chat agent using it is with Runtype, which takes care of all the hard parts of building an AI product so that you can focus on the customer experience. You can run the CLI command on the website to get your first version live in just a couple of minutes, or you can check out our docs and examples to see how to deploy Persona with other popular agent frameworks like Eve, OpenAI, Agents SDK, LangGraph, and more. We encourage community contributions for new features, plugins, UI treatments, bug fixes, or anything else that makes Persona better. We hope you love it, and happy hacking.